cutie pies, how are you? You have really done very great in your yellow day activity. First of all, clap for yourself and tap yourself. You have really done great. But I didn't receive the origami which I told to UKG kids to prepare origami. I didn't receive that. I want you to prepare it again. Fine. So, shall we start our day? Yes? So kiddos, today shall we start with our EVS book? Take out your EVS course book. Open page number 43. Now we will finish off with veggies and fruits because nursery and UKG have done with veggies and fruits, and if you, that is LKG students, also finish with veggies and fruits, we will have fruit salad and veg sandwich activity. Fine. So in order to have those activities, you have to complete this concept. So rest of the previous concept, that is seasons and festivals, we will cover in term 3. Okay. So take out your EVS course book, open page number 43. Hey, what can you see here? We have got a rhyme. Shall we recite? Okay, repeat with Swapna ma'am. I love veggies. It is same like I hear thunder. Yes, the same rhythm. I love veggies. I love veggies. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Carrot, peas and onions, potatoes and tomatoes, brinjals too. Brinjals too. Once again. I love veggies. I love veggies. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Carrot, peas and onions, potatoes and tomatoes, brinjals too. Brinjals too. So in this rhyme, can you see names of all the vegetables? Yes? Okay, now turn the page. Yeah, we have got vegetables are very healthy. This gives us energy and strength. We have to eat veggies every day. Every day whatever mama prepares, you have to eat. You should not show your tantrum. You should not say, I don't like this, నాకు ఇది ఇష్టం లేదు. No, there is nothing called ఇష్టం లేదు. Everything you have to eat, whatever mama prepares. Fine? So, let's see what is given here. We have got few vegetable names. We'll just read it. Okay? Carrot, onion, beans, potato, lady's finger, cauliflower. Okay, and in the next page we have got pumpkin. We have got pumpkin, brinjal, radish, cucumber, drumstick and spinach. Okay, fine. So before we go to next page, I want you to stand in front of the camera and read all these vegetable names loudly. If you have toy veggies also, you can show me and read their names, recite their names loudly. Okay, once you complete this, then we will go with our next page. Next page we have got some activity. Fine. Let's see what we have in our EVS workbook. Okay, take out your EVS workbook. Open page number 26. What can you see here? Look at the cart full of vegetables. Answer these questions. See, on the cart you can see many veggies, right? So what you have to do? Did you spot this? Say their names and write the first letter. See, you have got carrot, so you have to write C. You have got chilli, you have to write C. So each and every vegetable you have to say the name loudly and you have to write the first letter of the name of the veggie. After that, how many of these vegetables are there in the cart? So after writing the first letter, you have to count number of veggies and you have to mention the number. Fine? It's so easy. You can do it. Okay? While doing, tell mama to record a video and share it with me. So take out your math course book. In math we have done with number 10, right? Even writing we have done. So now we are going with page number 26. We have got shapes. We have already learned shapes, but then we'll revise it once again. Okay? Circle. I am a circle. I go round and round. Remember, I taught you one rhyme. It is a circle. It is a circle. How do you know? You remember that? Yes? If not, you just check my video. Somewhere it's there. I want you to learn that rhyme and tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. See, this is a circle, square, and we have got triangle. Okay. Now what you have to do is take a rough page, white sheet, okay, and you have to try to draw a circle. You can use any of the things, like you can use a bangle to make an outlet, or you can use scale. Fine. Make a circle, make a square, and make a triangle. Okay, you can make any size, square, circle, and you have to make. Mama will not make, Papa will not help you. You have to draw by yourself. They can guide you how to draw. Draw by yourself, color it, and share the picture with me so that I can give you a smiley. Fine. Let's see what we have in our math workbook. Okay, take out your math workbook. Open page number 23. See, we have got square, circle and triangle and things related to the shape. Like we have got a plate, we have got a tent, gift, hanger, window and ball. You have to match it according to the shape. Fine? But I want you to draw, color and share the picture with me. Okay? So take out your English course book. In English we have learnt 13 letters till M. Yes? So are you perfect with writing letters till M? Yes? I want to see your notebook work. If you have done, please share me your photos. If you have not done, please write and share me your photos. I want to see your notebook work. Okay? Fine. Open page number 43. Hey, we have got a rhyme here. Shall we recite? It's Ninny Nana Netty coat in a white long petticoat. The longer she burns, the shorter she grows. Ninna Nana Netty coat. Once again. Ninny Nana Netty coat in a white long coat. In previous we learnt as petticoat. Okay. Here it has given long coat. Okay. Ninna Nana Netty coat in a white long coat. The longer she burns, the shorter she grows. Ninna Nana Netty coat. Fine. Okay, see we have got candles here. The longer it burns, the shorter it grows. So open page number 44. What is this? N. N. N says N. N nest. N nose. N net. N nib. N needle. N nurse. Okay. So I want you to trace capital N and small n. You can say it as uppercase N or lowercase n. While writing you should say N says N. Okay. Fine. And in the next page you have got some activity. Each picture has words. 3 words. That name it. Choose the words that has the N sound and mark it with a tick. Okay, we have got in each set 3 names. But you have to tick that has got N sound. Okay. Hammer. We don't have N sound. Wall. No. Nail. N. So, tick it. Okay. Next. Needle. This is needle. Pin. N. Yes, we do have N sound. Tick it. Needle. Yes, we have N sound. Tick it. Scissors. We don't have N sound. So, no ticking. The third one is, the picture is nest. Here they have given eggs. In eggs we don't have N sound. So, no ticking. Nest. Yes, we have got N sound. Tick it. What is this? Shell. We don't have N sound. So, rest of them you have to read the words loudly and you need to identify whether you have got N sound in that or not. Then you have to tick it. Fine? Understood? Now, let's see what we have in our English workbook related to letter N. So open your English workbook. Take out page number 27. What is that in page number 27? See, we have got letter N. Circle the letter N. In the box we have got many letters, but you have to circle only letter N. Okay? And down you have got few images. Write N under the picture which starts with letter N. We have got nest, needle, net, notebook, newspaper and nose. So almost everything starts with letter N. So you have to write small n, that is lowercase n there. Okay? So once you finish this, let's see what we have in our language. So take out your Hindi language book. See, last time we have done till kh se khargosh, right? So today we are gonna start g. G se gamla. Okay? Once we'll revise. K se kalam, kh se khargosh, g se gamla. Fine. With this, I want you to revise with swar also, that is R to aha also. Okay? If we have started with Vyanjan, I want you to be perfect with swar, then we will be perfect with the Vyanjan. Fine? Let's see what we have in our Telugu book. Okay? Take out your Telugu book. Even in Telugu, we have done Hallulu till Kh. Yes? Today we are going to start with G. In Hindi we have done G se gamla. Even in Telugu we will start with G. G ganta, G gada, G garita, it's garite, G gampa, G ganji, G gadpa. Fine? So read loudly, okay? And tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. Let's see what we have in our art and craft book. Yeah, as in math we have learnt with shapes, right? So open your art and craft book. Page number is 23. See, we have got a fish here and you need to stick a CD. It is circle shape. If you don't have CD, I want you to color in that circle. Color the fish neatly. Okay? Color it and share me the picture. Fine? So you have received homework in all the language and all the subjects? Yes? Sit, complete your homework. Tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. And also I want you to be perfect with orals, because very soon we are going to start with our task. Yes, practical task activity. Last time we have done with practical task. So I want you to be perfect with your spellings and recognition of letters, recognition of pictures, recognition of numbers. You have to be perfect with everything so that we complete the practical task very soon. Fine? So be prepared. Okay? Stay at home. Stay safe and be a good student. See you soon in the next video session. Till then, bye-bye. Love you all.